Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a TikTok Ads Manager. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now look for TikTok Ads Manager. Once that's done, just hit on enter. Down here, click on the first link, which says a TikTok Ads Manager, create and manage ad campaigns. Just click on it. Now go ahead and tap on get started. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, we are under advertising on TikTok. Make sure to enter your email and write down your password. Once done, click on this tick box and hit on sign up. If not, you can go ahead and sign up with TikTok. Okay, I'm just going to use this one instead. And here, as you can see, I have 3 tabs opened and we are currently under authorization page. Just go ahead and give the necessary permission, hit on continue, wait for it to load. Now, in here, you can go ahead and add your business info. For example, business name, like Made for Money, like so. Website link right here, like so. Then industry, for example, we have e-commerce, education and training, games, media and content creation, for example, this one. And then I'm going to use audio and video production. Okay. Country, I'm going to leave it as is. And phone, click on the drop down and look for your country code, like so. Put your number in here, click on the tick box, like so, and hit on continue and wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see, you just created your TikTok Ads Manager account. Okay, just go ahead and tap on accept. And in here, to finish setting up your TikTok Ads Manager, just go ahead and pick your objectives right here. For example, brand awareness, traffic or video views. Hit on continue. Campaign name right here. Rename your campaign. For example, video views M4M, like so. If you want to add some exclusions, go ahead and click on edit right here and select the exclusion. Once done, click on advanced setting. And here you can go ahead and add in a placement. For example, user comment, allow video download, allow video sharing, hit on continue. We are now under ads, just wait for it. And in here, you'll have to select your TikTok account. And then if you have creatives, just go ahead and click on add creative. Okay. For example, just this video right here and hit on confirm. Call to action if you want to include it, and the URL. Okay. For example, someone taps on interested right here, he will be landed to the URL that you typed down in here. For example, madeformoney.com/ads. Okay. Wait for it to load, and then you can go ahead and hit on preview if you want to. If not, hit on continue. Budget right here. Go ahead and select your preferred budget. For example, the lowest one right here is $20, and the highest one is $50. If you want to, you can go ahead and create your own or a custom budget. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on publish. Okay. And then it's going to need us to enter our tax status, or basically our billing information. Okay. Right here at the last section. So go ahead and select the tax status right here. For example, individual, business address, which is optional. If you want to, you can go ahead and include it. Okay. And you can go ahead and select automatic payment or manual payment. Okay. Automatic payment right here, whatever card you put down in here, okay, it will just automatically deduct in your card. If you want manual, you can go ahead and select this one and hit on submit, like so. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.